guys, welcome to Priceless, and your wonderful host is me, Annabella. So today we are gonna be unboxing. As you can see, I have like a lot of toys. So I'm gonna explain all the toys I have and some of my favorites. So first we got this little mermaid. It's like a little shell. It's so cute. I got 3 of them for I could open. And we got this pop and top. I don't know why is it like smushed. I don't know why, but yeah. And then we got some Loki box, which is my favorite. I like watching them. And then we have a Happy Fortune, so cute. And then we got Mallow, so cute. And we got the other ones back. And then we got some more Lanky box because I love Lanky box. So cute. We got 2 of them. Then we got the Smelly Jelly. Yes. This is like so cute. I love like the little sign and stuff. So cute. So, which one should we unbox first? I'm gonna go for the Little Mermaid. So, let's see what I get.
You need help?
I'm good.
Okay.
Oh. I got Ursula! She's so adorable! So cute, actually. Not gonna lie. I'm gonna put it in its little shell. It's so cute, guys. Then we're gonna open more. Let's see. I think we should open the Mallow because it's like so adorable, guys. Look at that. So let's see what I get. It's a little cute kitty cat. Oh my gosh, it's so squishy. Look at it. So cute, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna put it back in the box, probably. So no. Leave it right here. Right there. Ursula. I'm gonna open another of the like mermaid. Let's see what I get again. What did I get?
Who is that?
She's so cute. Oh my gosh.
Is that a mermaid?
Wait, I think this is the old granny.
What granny?
But she's so cute, guys. It's so cute. So cute, but I don't know who she is. Probably the prince's mom or something?
Okay, so...
I don't know. So probably we're going to open Lanky box or the Fortune. Let's see what we get. So happy. See what I get? Oh my gosh! I got the cat sashimi. That's so cute, guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. I'm gonna set this to the side with my other fellows. Let's see what else should we do. Should we do this one or the Lanky box? Let's do this one and then move on to the other ones. So let's see. What is it? That is so cute, guys. Look at this. Ariel's sister is so cute. Oh my gosh. Look at that. So what's her name again? Okay, so we got Ursula. Then we got, who is she?
I believe she's named Karina. That's one of Ariel's sisters.
Karina, Ariel's sister.
One of Ariel's sisters.
Yeah, and then we got, what's her name again?
That one? Alana.
Her name is Alana, guys. She's so beautiful. And Ursula. And I'm gonna name this one Cappuccino.
Cappuccino.
And this one, cat sushi.
Cat sushi.
Yeah. Now, let's do this one and then the Linky Box. Ushi's Pop and Top. So cute. Let's see. This is Disney series. I don't know. What did I get? Mickey Mouse! That's so cute, guys. Oh my gosh. Little Ushi. So cute. I'm gonna set this right here. Now it's time for the Linky Box. I'm gonna open this one. Okay. Mystery Squishies. So cute. I hope I get the glow-in-the-dark one that's Baby Baby Ghosty. No way. No way. I got the golden Boxy. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. That's so cute. Golden Boxy. Oh my gosh. Golden Boxy, is that ultra rare? No way. Ultra rare. Could you guys believe that? No way. That is so cute, guys. Look at that. That's so cute. I'm gonna leave it right in front over here. Okay, now let's do like the other one. I wanna see what I get to. I hope I get the baby ghost. I hope I get the ghost. No way. I got the ghost, guys. I literally got the ghost. That is so cute, guys. And it also glows in the dark. Okay, I don't know how to use it. I saw it glow. It's so cute. I'm so happy I got this big ghost. It's so cute. I'm gonna keep this one right over here. Now it's time to open the other ones. I'm so excited. So we got 1, 2, 3. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Tap a picture on the show. You are it. Okay, let's see what I get and I won't talk. OMG. No way. I literally got the Foxy. So adorable. Let's open it. I can't wait to open it. Guys, it could also move its body. It is, oh my god. Look at that. Look at it. It's so cutie. Cutie patootie. It's so cute. I love that one. Okay, then we got the other 2 Linky Box. Okay, let's see what we get this time. I'm just gonna pick actually. This one. So cute. I think you guys already know what I got. So let's see. We got Rocky! Let's open him up. Oh my gosh. He is so adorable. Like, so cute. I'm gonna put him right next to Foxy. Now we got the last one. My Linky Box, my last one. Are you serious? I got the same one! It's okay. At least I had 2. Better, but I wish I got something else. But it's okay. We got twins now. I tried to get the rare one as the Foxy. but it's okay. At least we got like Roxy. Roxy, yeah. Okay, now Smelly Jelly. So we got Smelly Jelly, scented. Look at that one. Look at that one. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that one. This one. So cute. Okay, we're gonna like open it right now. No way. What? No way!
Is that kind of like
No,
a rare or something like that?
I think because this one is not gold and this one is gold.
Yeah, that's a golden puppy? What is he?
That's...
Or is he a bunny?
It's a bunny.
He's a bunny.
Look at that. That's so cute. Smells like a rose with strawberry. It's so cute. But smell it, guys. Smell it. Yeah. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
So good. Okay, so this is what we got. They're so cute and such cuties. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching and smash that like and subscribe button and hit that notification and maybe I'll unbox more, but Stitch edition. Until next time, bye!